Wala po bang tutorial NBI renewal GCash payment? A lot of people are still confused kung paano talaga tong NBI application process until na makapagbayad sa GCash. So I will be showing you the whole process on how to make payment when you applied for NBI clearance. So let's start. So, pag andun na kayo sa link, all you have to do is to sign in. Mas maganda kapag naka-PC kayo. Makikita niyo talaga yung buong process. So, once you logged in, go to applications, apply for clearance, and then I agree, and then close, of course. So, doon naman makikita niyo na ang location ninyo. Search for your location, choose date and time, and then on the right side, makikita niyo ang mode of payment. Go to GCash. Click proceed, and then proceed to payment. Magpa-pop out dyan yung reference number nyo. Go to transaction, makikita nyo ang inyong transaction which is pending on status. So let's proceed with the GCash application now. Once you log in, kindly click on the bills and then wait for it to load. And then pag nag-load na, click on government. Then search nyo sa search biller here, ang word na NBI. Once na-search yun na, kindly click on it, enter the amount, then also enter your reference number, which was provided a while ago, your contact number, and your email as a form of receipt. Kindly click yes, agree, and then click next. So ayan, yan na po ang NBI confirmation na inyong payments. All you have to do is to refresh your transaction so that your status will update from pending to paid. So, ayun na nga. I hope you've learned something and sana ma-apply mo to during your application sa NBI. If there are some people na confused pa din kung paano ba talaga tong NBI process na to, I am not really a very tech-savvy person, but you can, we can negotiate naman. I can do your online process, then cash service fee na lang. Charot. 'Di ba? Pwede naman. Let's talk about it.